Hi and welcome to Madam Foodster. This festival we are going to prepare a Gujarati dish which is a dessert called Shrikhand. We will start by making hung curd. We have taken a bowl and placed a muslin cloth in it to make the hung curd, and then slowly we'll pour the curd inside it. We will wrap this muslin cloth and roll it. We will keep aside this for 2 hours to drain the excess water. So now the water is drained off. Now we'll take a bowl and put the hung curd inside it. We will add 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar, on the other side we are preparing saffron water. We have taken small amount of lukewarm milk and added a pinch of saffron in it. Stir it well and keep it aside for half an hour. So now the saffron is also ready. We'll put 2 to 3 teaspoons of saffron water in it. Now to enhance the taste of this dessert, we'll add powdered cardamom. Mix all the ingredients well. So foodsters, it's a very simple dessert which you can prepare anytime within 5 minutes of time. So finally Shrikhand is done. We need to serve this with chopped pistachios. So foodsters, do prepare this short recipe of dessert and share your feedback.